Okay, first thing first, before you start, you want to clean off your windshield so it sticks. I'm using grass cleaner. Just gonna spray it on and just wipe it off, then some alcohol after. So, clean the windshield off. Put this line here, so that was the measurement I took. So clean off the windshield, and then use some alcohol. Just take out the oils on it so it sticks better. Just a bit like that, and then with alcohol. Okay, so now that we got it clean and use our alcohol, wipe down, surface is free of grime and dirt. What I wanted to do is just take a measurement from both sides to see how far I should put it down. I had this measurement before, but I'm showing you inside how it looks too as well, to see if it's not blocking too much lights, stop at stop sign. Also, legally, this is a measurement that you're supposed to block off, but it's pretty much too thin, so I'm trying to go a little bit under it. I don't think I'm gonna stop or anything, but anyhow. Okay, so this is how the 8 measurement I took. Just a random measurement, see how far I should bring it down. It looks down, but if you imagine there's like a piece of black stuff here you can't see through. At stop signs, you gotta really, bend your head over to see the stop sign. So I think I'm gonna put it a little higher up than the 8 I originally used, just so I could, stop at stop sign and see it. So I'm gonna change it. Okay, so I moved it a different measurement, and this is how it looks. Yeah, I believe this might work. It's below the line. See this measurement, I can't really see it, but it's below the line. So I believe this will help, because when I'm driving stop signs, I'm able to peek at the stop signs, stop lights. So that will work. I'm gonna do it really quick because I can't run out of time. Okay, so we got a measurement set. I just used the measurements. It's the measurement I'm going with. It's at the 7 line right here. You can see. Put a little mark here so you know it's here. And I also put a mark on the other side as well. So that will be the bottom line, and we're gonna run the vinyl across. So I'll be using this black, I would say flat black. I'm using this black film, not too glossy, but like flat, so blend right in. As you can see, this is how long it is. I got a lot of room to spare and cut it off. So see how that goes. Okay, so we got the film cut out. First thing I'm gonna do is get your spray bottle and just wet the windshield a bit, so lower the slide. Yeah, just like that, and then get the film out. You may need 2 people to do that, but just by myself, so hopefully it works out good. So we laid out our vinyl, and now what I want to do is just peel off and cut off the excess, which is around here. This is how it's coming out. Just trying to get out the bumps in it right here. Trying to lift it up. This is one hand. Okay, this is how it looks. On the inside, blocks out a lot of light though. Wish it could be a little lower, like around here, and then go straight, like this angle, but go straight. But how it looks.